Upgrade your ASNU Classic GDI system and take your injector testing to the next level. With full compatibility with all ASNU 8-cylinder systems, including port, GDI, piezo, and 2-stroke GDI. This system delivers unmatched accuracy and repeatability, handling injectors up to 3,800 cc per minute or 400 pounds per hour at 3 bar. Experience faster testing without the need to drain the test tubes, plus automatic pressure control and pass or fail detection to streamline your workflow. Enhance traceability with results automatically saved to files, ready for printouts and analysis. With built-in flow conversions, your data is automatically converted from ASNU FlowRite to vehicle fuel, and from cc per minute to pounds per hour. Choose to display pressure in bar or psi, and temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, fully adaptable to your needs. The system even generates dead-time data and offers an injector batching function to ensure precision matching. With fully user-configurable test sequences and settings, the ASNU Digital Flow Kit puts you in full control of your injector testing process. Upgrade today and experience the future of ASNU injector diagnostic systems,